And one thing that we're doing also, Nina and I, with our baby brand, is we're trying to follow the customer journey. So this is one thing that a lot of people don't think about. So you have two types of products that you can sell, right? Where for consistent sales. You have a product that's basically replenishable, so they can go on a subscription. They can actually, plug into a subscription, and every single month they get a certain amount of inventory from you or product. But another thing you can do is follow the customer's journey, and this is something that we've started to implement that I haven't really heard anyone talk about. But we create products based on the next product that customer is most likely to buy. And I'll give you an example. So our baby brand, we basically target, we have two baby brands. We have swim nappies that we sell. So we're targeting kids that are babies to about 2 years old, right? And then we have another product, which is a kid's toilet seat. Now that's targeting kids from around about 2 years old to 4 years old, right? So if we get someone in buying our baby nappy, right, we have them for 3 years, and that customer email will still be valid because they would still need that product, one of our kids' seats, when their kids turns 2. Now, what other product can we promote to that parent when the kid turns 4, right? And that's what we think about. So what we want to do is we want to follow the customer journey for 20 years. So we start with the baby product and we sell them a baby product, and we create a product based on, the age 2 to 4. Now we're going to start to think about creating products of kids age 4 to 7. And then we start thinking about 7 to 12 or 7 to 10. And we want to follow that customer journey as long as possible, right? So that's what we're finding. We're finding the people that bought our nappies are now buying our seats, right? So that's another way of doing it, is to actually just create products that your customer needs. And by doing that, it becomes a lot more easy, or a lot easier, because now what you're looking at is, as opposed to saying to yourself, well, am I going to pick a product based on, how much demand it actually has? Yes, you are, but now you just ask your customers, right? So remember that email list I told you that you're going to get, the one that you did a free giveaway, and we had 400 emails, and now in total, I think we've got about 1,200 emails in this last week and a half. Well, we can send an email out to that list and just ask them what product they would like to see next, right? So we're creating product based on demand, but based on buyer's intention, what the actual customer wants. And that's how we're actually building out our businesses, right, to actually do that. So as opposed to just sticking to the same product all the time and then always needing to get a new list because your product is maybe, if you've got a product that's only, let's say you have a wallet that you're selling, and then that particular wallet, when someone buys it, you're not going to try selling them another wallet. That wallet might last them 2, 3, 4 years. And then in that case, they might just buy another wallet, right? They won't even think about your wallet probably again. But if someone is buying your wallet, you got to start thinking about what other products would that person buy, right? And it could be the same time as the wallet. Is it someone that buys a leather wallet? Is that someone that will also buy a pen? Right? And you can start thinking like that. Is that someone who buys a pen? Is it someone who maybe buys a pen holder? And so that's one thing that's important, and it's key, and it's something that we're actually doing. So hopefully that will make sense.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.